An organism which is involved in fermentation of toddy, Saccharomyces. Mushroom used in juicy vegetable is fungus. The microorganism which is used for alcohol fermentation in liquid industry is called yeast. Alicillin is found in garlic. Produces its food from inorganic substance, rubber plant. The yeast used in commercial production of ethanol is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Type of xanthan microbial gum. Oleo gum resin. Astophaza can be obtained from dried latex of taproot of ferula. Spider webs are made up of silk, natural fiber made up of protein. The organism that help to carry out vermicomposting is earthworm. Curcumin, a phenolic compound widely used for medical purpose, is used in turmeric. Lauric acid, the main fatty acid in coconut oil and palm kernel oil that has antimicrobial property. Silkworm feed on mulberry leaves. At pupa stage in lifestyle, the silkworm yield the fiber commercial use. The medicinal plant that is best immediately to treat blood pressure is sarkantha. Yeast used in making wine. A tall tree store its waste product in old xylem. Medicinal plant Arjuna used in treatment of high blood pressure and earache. The process of fermentation takes place in yeast. The herb that found only in India used to treat high blood pressure is sargandha. Trichodroma harginium fungi used as fungicide. Olfactory indicator vanilla. Best source of fatty acid sardinus. The event in botanical garden that is never influenced by light fertilization. Double fertilization is complex fertilization mechanism of angiosperms. Onthiophily is affected by birds. Male part of flower stamen. Ovary is female part of flower. Fertilization takes place. Cryptogam is a non-flowering plant. The yellow dust present in middle of a grain is called pollen. Rose pine medicine extracted from Rauwolfia. Iron extracted from Laminia. Mulberry cell is made from chiru hair. Heroin is obtained from poppy. Silk produced by spider is called gossamer silk. Medical importance of tulsi plant due to presence of phenol and flavonoid. Pyrethrum used in mosquito coil is obtained from seed plant. Maximum percentage oil in found in food in leaves. Pine gut, Chilcosa obtained from Pinus gardenia. Obtained from seed of pine species, pine nut. From stem of plant we get turmeric. Caryophylllic is source of morphine. Red chili is spicy because it contains capsicum. The main constituent of opium is morphine. Poppy is obtained from half-ripe fruit of opium plant. Noscopine is obtained from poppy. The plant fiber is obtained from hemp. Buckwheat is obtained from Phagopyrum.